fabulous executive living bordering Oak Mountain State Park. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty, 356-5412. Call on Colleen.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 18th of August. James Spann here, and pretty soupy air mass stays in place, but a refreshing change over the weekend. Let's look out the window this afternoon with our Skycam shots. First off, coming from Mount Cheehaw. I would love to be up there on a summer day. The sky mostly cloudy. The Clanton Skycam, some pretty decent breaks in the overcast there down in Chilton County. And from Demopolis, mostly cloudy, looking right down the Tombigbee River. There's the water vapor satellite shot this afternoon. You can see very moist air all across the southern states with areas of convection scattered from Louisiana over to Georgia. Prime westerlies are up north. Look at the radar at 210. The northern half of the state relatively dry, but we note some pretty hefty thunderstorms developing down to the south. And again, wouldn't be shocked if we saw some of those rumbling around here this afternoon or this evening in this tropical air mass. There's the larger view across the southeastern states. You can see really the most organized storms kind of lined up from near Pensacola to near Auburn and Opelika. And those are slowly working their way north. And with this kind of air mass, those could easily linger well into the nighttime hours. Convective outlook, rest of today and tonight. Slight risk way off to the west tomorrow. Slight risk from near Oklahoma City to Des Moines and almost Chicago. And day 3, which is Thursday, that risk approaching northwest Alabama. That runs along a front from near Paris, Texas, up to about Detroit. And the QPF chart, rain through Sunday morning at 7. This is suggesting about 1.5 inches here. And that sounds about right. I think everybody has a good crack at that, counting up all the showers between now and Friday. And the tropics, you know the deal. We got Big Bad Bill east of the Leeward Islands. The remnants of Ana over Cuba. And there's a look at the modeling on Bill. Very good agreement. Turn north and northeast out to sea. Intensity modeling. Most models keep it in the Category 3 and 4 range, major hurricane status. And the official track. Our friends on the island of Bermuda will have to watch that thing carefully. The track has it passing just west of there Saturday. And turning north and northeast. That'll create some big swells on the Atlantic seaboard, but no problems for the mainland of the United States. Look at the GFS, the global forecast system for the newbies here. This one of the prime global models run in this country. This graphic depicts the weather at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, about 18 to 20,000 feet off the ground. Those lines are the heights where the pressure is 500 millibars, one of the standard pressure levels. And you can see a trough developing over the nation's heartland. Down below that, very moist air all across the southeastern states. You know, very humid, few showers and storms around. Could rain almost any time with this kind of air mass, but it'll be scattered or maybe numerous at times. Same thing Thursday. And way over there on the right, that's Bill. Friday, look at the trough. This run is a little farther west with the axis of that thing. The 594 heat is over the southwest, and down below that, your cold front at midday Friday is running from near Cleveland down to Little Rock. And that should be a day with numerous showers and storms. Of course, Bill is off in the Atlantic. Saturday, Bill is moving northwest. You know, if you extrapolate that thing, it'd be moving toward Cape Cod. But remember, that deep trough should turn that northeast out to sea. Around here, the model suggesting showers for the southeastern part of the state. And really, I think Saturday here will be sunny. Many times this summer, the GFS has been slow in this kind of process. And I think the northern half of the state will be sunny, low humidity, a beautiful day. And Sunday, just about the entire state. Fantastic. We'll start the day in the low 60s, maybe some 50s for the cooler valleys. And sunny with a high in the 80s. And again, the humidity will be low. Monday of next week stays dry. And Tuesday of next week, moisture begins to creep in from the east. For now, we'll just call it partly sunny and make some adjustments as we need to. End of the forecast period, the 3rd of September. The prime polar jet stream is in Canada, which you expect early in September. Flat ridge over much of the nation. That looks relatively dry, and no sign of any tropical mischief out there at this point on the GFS. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. That's AlabamaWX.com if you're watching this on YouTube or iTunes. Next video posted here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.